to you all wherever you might be right now across the world. I'm very, very happy to be here today once again. I welcome you to LASOJENIC. This channel is dedicated to financial education, so it is created to share with you different ways whereby you can earn residual or passive income online. And also, if you have any online investment platform that you are contemplating to join, and you need to do some research or you need to do some findings before you jump in, feel free to send it to me. Then I'm going to do my sincere review and give you the needed recommendation before you start. Okay, today I will be sharing with you 5 different cryptocurrencies that you can buy, 5 cryptos to buy, how to start make money online, start earning now, online wealth creation method. All right, over the time cryptocurrency evolved, it has been discovered that it is one of the ways whereby you can generate residual or passive income online. And when we are talking about cryptocurrency, there are different ways whereby you can make money through it. You can stake for a very long period of time. You can involve in daily trading of cryptocurrency, and you can also mine. But presently, the best method is to buy cryptocurrency and hold for a very long period of time, because it is very, very volatile in nature. What I mean by volatile is that it can appreciate and depreciate in price easily. So if you don't have the knowledge on when to buy and when to sell, it may be very, very difficult for you to involve in cryptocurrency, and you may eventually get in loss. But for these 5 cryptocurrency that I'm going to introduce to you in this video, you just need to buy them and hold them for a very long period of time. Don't bother if there is a slight change in price. Maybe there is a downward movement of the price. You don't need to bother about that. Just buy it and keep it. Don't bother about the fall in price, because there are 2 different times in cryptocurrency. We have the time for the bull run and a time for the bearish market. So right now we are in the bearish market, and whenever we are in bearish market, this is the best time for you to buy cryptocurrency. So before I show you the 5 cryptocurrency to buy in this video, I would like to let you to know that this video is brought to you courtesy of LASOJENIC BIZZTALK. For that reason, if you are new here, if you are new on the channel, click on the description, and if you are yet to do that, this is the best time for you to do so that you can be fully aware whenever I put new financial educational content like this, so that you are not going to miss out on any of the videos or on any of the trainings that we give out here. And also feel free to browse through the channel. There are several videos that has been done in the past on how to generate passive or residual income, on different online investment that has been reviewed for educational purposes. And also, as I said earlier, if you have an online investment platform that you wish to join, but you want some information about it before you go into it, then kindly forward it to me, and I'm going to do the sincere review on it and let you know and give you a basis for your decision making. Okay, so as I said earlier, there are several videos here. Just check through, and you can do your own due diligence research, do your own personal findings before you venture into any one of these, because they are all for financial education and not for advice. All right, so once again, what we are considering today is 5 cryptocurrency to buy, how to make money online, start earning now, online wealth creation. So now I like to take you to the coin market cap first. The coin market cap. So this is a website that are all, let me say, the major cryptocurrency in the world. They are being listed here. And as we all know that Bitcoin is the leader of all the cryptocurrency. Every other coin, they are called altcoin, which means alternative coin. Okay, so Bitcoin as of today is $38,005 US, $38,005 US, while Ethereum is $2,840, and Tether, which is a stable coin, is $1. Binance coin, which is BNB, $3.78. Cardano, which is in number 6, $1.06. We have Solana, and we have many of them on the list. So what I'm trying to say is that due to the volatility of cryptocurrency, Bitcoin is now in number is now sold for $30,000. There was a time whereby Bitcoin rose to the all-time high of $69,000, and right now it is now in $38. That is like 31,000 difference. So someone that bought Bitcoin when it was $69,000 and is now $30,000, you can see there is a major difference. More than half of the value is it has depreciated like 50% of the actual value. So, and this is an opportunity for you because you are still in a bearish market, though the market is green for today. So this is the best time for you to buy cryptocurrency. What if you buy Bitcoin now at the rate of 30,000, and maybe in the next 2 or 3 months it rises to like $50,000? You will be in $12,000 profit. Though this is a two-way it is bi-directional. That is, it can go up in price and it can also fall in price. But there is tendency that as the adoption of Bitcoin or other cryptocurrency in the world keeps increasing, then your value, what you are buying, it will surely increase as well. So and Bitcoin or any other of the cryptocurrency, they are here to stay. So this is not a shit coin or a type of coin that will be pumped and later it will be dumped and the value will be rendered useless. So Bitcoin is not a coin like that. So you can invest. So Bitcoin will be the number one coin that I would like you to buy and hold. Okay, you may not know how to trade it for daily earnings, but just buy and hold. No matter your financial strength, no matter how much you can afford, just make sure that you buy it and hold. You keep it in a very secured wallet. Write down your details so that you won't forget it. So there is tendency that Bitcoin will rise to like 100,000 in this year. So it is very, very possible. So when it gets to that amount, so that you won't find yourself to blame or to regret. So I think this is the best time for you to buy Bitcoin. In the year 2020, Ethereum was around May 2020, Ethereum was still less than $300. Ethereum was less than $300, so it got to $1,000 around the fourth quarter of year 2020. And in the last 6 months, Ethereum also rose to an all-time high of around $4,200. But right now, it also fell. It fell to 2,840. So this is a period of bearish market. Bearish market is a period whereby there is a drop in value of all crypto assets. So for that reason, is an opportunity for you to buy. BNB, which is in number 4, it rose to like $630, but now it is in $378. So this is an opportunity for you to buy BNB as well. And why should you buy BNB? BNB is a coin that is owned by the biggest and the largest cryptocurrency exchange site in the world, which is Binance. So let me take you to Binance app. So this is Binance. Also, I'm in the description box of the video link to assets. Go to the description box. Binance is the biggest currency exchange site in the world. The biggest cryptocurrency site in the world. The company they have there, which is BNB, will also tap from this quality of this exchange site to get more adoption, which will later increase the price of the crypto assets. In some years back, when Binance launched their exchange site, BNB coin was very, very low in price. It was less than $1. It was less than $1. But fortunately today, BNB is now $300 plus. So it is a very big profit for those that have taken the risk then to accumulate as many as possible BNB token. So it's not too late for you to get yourself into this, to keep yourself in this cryptocurrency ways of making money online. It's not too late. So BNB is the third coin that I would like you to get. And also, you can go for this particular cryptocurrency that I'm going to share with you is called Dogecoin and Shiba Inu. Okay, where is it here? So this is Dogecoin and this is all. We also have Shiba Inu here. Okay, Dogecoin. So this is Dogecoin here. So the current price is 0.13, that is 13 cents, and this is Shiba Inu here. The price is very low, below $1. It's very low. You can see 0.00021111. So it's very low in price. So you can buy as much as possible. Of Dogecoin and Shiba Inu coin. So and keep in a very secured wallet like Binance or any other exchange site that you think is very good for you. So these are the 5 cryptocurrencies that I can recommend for you. There are many cryptocurrencies, they are in their hundreds, even in thousands. You can see so this is just the first 100 that is listed by coin market capitalization. So these are the first 100. We have many cryptocurrencies that are not listed here. For instance, let me take you to the Binance app and see there are several cryptocurrencies here. You can buy. So let me take it to home. Okay. So take it to market. Okay. USD. So there are several cryptocurrencies that you can buy. This is for USD market. You have more. There are plenty. Just to buy one of your choice, but I will recommend this for you. And the first one is Bitcoin, followed the third one is BNB, fourth one is Dogecoin, and the fifth one is Bitcoin. So these are major cryptocurrency that you can buy. The major cryptocurrency that you can liquefy anytime, you can get your money out of it anytime. Alright, and they are listed in many cryptocurrency exchange sites in the world. Alright, so thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget, check the description box of this video for the registration link of Binance. So Binance is a very secure cryptocurrency exchange site. I have been using it since 2017. So and there is no glitch for a day. So just check the description box of this video for the registration link for Binance exchange site and other ways whereby you can make money online. So there's a particular program that is ongoing, this IPC. So check my videos on the channel. There are several videos there. Check the videos and just ask me any question if there is any. So in the description box of this video also I will drop my contact, how you can contact me if there is any question, and also make use of the comment section of this video if you have any question. Thank you so much once again. Don't forget, if you are yet to subscribe, can you do that now? Click on the notification bell and set it to all notification. Then share this video with your friends and family. Give it the widest publicity that you think it deserves, and God bless you as you do so. Till the next video, thank you so much and have a wonderful day ahead. Bye for now.